Let's talk about heartburn. Over 15 million people experience heartburn every single day. It's when you experience burning or painful sensations within your chest or behind your breastbone. The cause of this is when stomach acid rises up into your esophagus, that long tube that carries food from your mouth down to your stomach. As food travels down your esophagus, it passes through a band of muscle called your esophageal sphincter, which acts like a valve opening and closing, allowing food to pass into your stomach without backwashing back up to your esophagus. When your esophageal sphincter is weakened in any way, stomach acid and food could back up into your esophagus, causing burning and painful sensations. There is an auricular point that has a direct effect on the health and strength of your esophageal sphincter, and that's called the cardia point. It's also called the esophageal sphincter point due to its direct correspondence to the esophageal sphincter, and this point is located right over here. Placing an ear seed on this point will have a direct influence on your esophageal sphincter and your heartburn.